Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to signature PDF files. Signing PDF documents is essential for many professional and personal tasks. We will explore the two main types, electronic and digital signatures. You'll learn how each works and when to use them, ensuring your documents are handled correctly and securely. Let's get started with the basics. Electronic signatures are the simplest way to sign a PDF. They are essentially an image of your signature placed onto the document. You can create one by drawing it with your mouse, typing your name, or uploading a picture. This method is quick and widely accepted for many everyday documents, making it a popular choice for efficiency. For higher security and legal assurance, digital signatures are the way to go. These signatures use advanced encryption to link your identity to the document, ensuring it hasn't been tampered with after signing. A trusted third party, called a certificate authority, verifies your identity and issues a digital ID. This offers strong proof of origin and integrity. Signing a PDF is straightforward with the right tools. First, open your document in a program such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. Look for the Fill and Sign or Certificates option in the toolbar. From there, you can either create a new electronic signature or apply an existing digital one. Just follow the simple steps to complete your signing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.